Okay. Well, I forgot to film how filthy this was before I wiped it all up, but you can see this head gasket has inner ring there marked on it. That's from the cylinder sleeve. Right there. It definitely has some indications it's been leaking. So to get it to seal back up, I'm just cleaning it off really good. And then I am going to put a drop of 3-in-1 oil on either side of it. Because again, low compression, so a little bit of oil is actually going to be plenty to get it to seal back up. And I also double checked. You can see this discoloration around the edges. That tells you about various little temperature differences and leaks and stuff on the cylinder. And so I'm going to try and make sure that I match up the part that sort of matches the muffler so I get that rotated right. And the ring there from the cylinder sleeve tells me which side is which, so we want to make sure we match all it up again. So, but I'm going to dab this together and with some oil and then get it back together and see if it'll keep running.